Hi there, it's Claire from Crumsicle Illustration. Today's video will be a brief tutorial on making Redbubble stickers using Paint Tool Sai version 2. This is just the way I do it, so don't take everything I say here as the ultimate truth for sticker designing, but I thought I'd share what I've learned in the past year that I've been selling on Redbubble. And just to make things clear, I am not professionally affiliated with Redbubble in any way, nor am I a super popular seller on the website. I just enjoy making and occasionally selling my designs for fun. So stick with me here today, and maybe I'll even help you get your own Redbubble shop up and running. Oh, and yes, this tutorial will apply to all of Redbubble's other forms of merchandise, but I'm just focusing on stickers today because they're simple and require pretty much no extra formatting to get them to look right, and they're the only thing I have available for sale in my own shop. So start by drawing a design you'd like to make into a sticker. The size and resolution of your canvas is really important here, because if you want your stickers to be available in Redbubble's large and extra large sizes, your image will need to be a fairly generous resolution. This is the resolution I ended up using for my project, although yours will probably differ depending on the dimensions of your own drawing. A good bet is to make your canvas 3000 pixels on its longest side at 300 dpi. This should ensure you can sell stickers in all the sizes. One thing to keep in mind while drawing your design is its readability. Stickers should be graphical and easily recognizable, as they're meant to be displayed on people's belongings for themselves and others to enjoy. Lots of detail can be beautiful, of course, but stickers often benefit from simplicity, especially if you're planning to market your artwork or your brand with them. Mainly focus on giving your design a distinct and interesting silhouette, but try not to leave too many gaps of negative space if your drawing contains multiple separate elements. This is what might happen if the gaps are too large. Redbubble automatically creates a white margin around your design when you upload it as a sticker that looks something like this. If the pieces of your drawing are too far apart from each other, they will be cut as separate pieces and won't be attached to the main part of the sticker. A simple way to avoid this is to create a new layer beneath your drawing and connect all the pieces together with a white brush like this. This will ensure everything is cut in one piece during production. When you're all finished with your design, it's time to prepare it for printing. It's important at this time to check for any stray marks on the outside of the canvas and clean those up. It's also essential that you trim off any excess canvas space around your design. To do this perfectly, select your entire design and enter one of the transformation modes here. Hit OK and your selection will shrink wrap around your drawing. Then choose Canvas, Trim Canvas by Selection, and your image will now be the perfect size to fit your drawing. After that, go back to the Canvas menu, mouse over Background, and choose one of the options for transparency. Any of them will work. Now your sticker is officially ready to be uploaded to Redbubble. And there you go. You're all ready to start selling your own stickers. I hope these tips are helpful and you use them to make some designs. If you're interested in checking out my own Redbubble shop or my website, I will put the links down below. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know if there are any other digital art tutorials you'd like to see in the future, and I hope you have a wonderful creative rest of your day.